It's May 26th, and yes, it seems like a peace deal is near between Iran and the United States. But forget all that. Stop making excuses. Stop putting stuff off. Do it today. Let's go. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear. We're going to talk markets here in a second, but it's a Tuesday. We had Memorial Day yesterday. Moment of thoughts, love, prayers to all the men and women who gave their lives for our country, 100%. And what better moment to really check ourselves here and realize there are only 5 more days to go in the month of May, and then we're into June. And here's the question that I want to ask you is, at the beginning of the year, you set your goals for yourself. Are you making progress? Are you doing everything that you said that you would be doing at the start of the year? Are you still getting your work in? Are you still putting the reps in? Are you still making it happen? Or are you continuing to make excuses for yourself and say, you know, I'll just wait till 2027. I fell off. I'm not going to do it now. Stop. Time out. Quit making excuses. Quit pushing it till later on, because here's the truth. You're not going to do it. You have to do it now. Stop making excuses for yourself. I fell into that trap many times. I needed somebody to smack me into the reality, and I'm trying to do that here for you today. So before we talk markets, wanted to just emphasize this. Do it now. Make it happen. Quit waiting. No excuses. You need to wait for this. You need to wait for that. Perfect, sir. No. Do it now or don't talk about it. All right, I'm done. Off my soapbox. Here we go. Markets. So apparently we're getting a peace deal between the United States and Iran. That's supposed to happen. We'll see it on paper. We'll see it official. Then we can believe it. As of right now, I don't know what to think. I'm skeptical. And my hair's wet. I just finished a pool workout. That's why I got the raccoon eyes for my goggles. My goggles broke today. Anyway, there were yesterday on Monday alleged defensive attacks from the United States on Iran. They said they were defending themselves because of something that occurred near the Strait. And then Iran apparently downed a U.S. drone. So there is warfare taking place. All the while, we are hearing that, hey, a deal is pretty much finalized. It's going to happen, but we haven't seen anything official yet. But here is the thing. We've seen this type of stuff happen in the markets before, and we have to be cautious because we know that in a moment's notice, things could flip, right? Trump can come out and say, oh, we're going to rain down the fury of hell on Iran, and we're going to obliterate them into nothingness or whatever. And then we just reverse everything that's happened. At the time that I'm recording this, the S&P futures are up 50 points. Bitcoin is still down. Not sure what's happening there. And MU, it's up to like 816 here pre-market. Just a freaking beast, man. That thing just keeps pumping. So it looks like we're going to open green. It looks like we're going to push here today. But watch for the fade lower at open. Watch for some nonsense to come out, some type of headline that, who knows, Trump will speak and say something. And again, it's a headline-driven environment. It's a truth social post-driven environment. So we just need to be ready for all those things head on a swivel. So in terms of data this week, not too much until Thursday when we get PCE, GDP, and I do believe we get personal income, personal spending. So that obviously will move the markets. We know that PCE is going to come in hot because CPI and PPI were hot. So we know inflation has gone higher, which is why the war needs to end. And outside of that, you've got earnings reports from Dix is reporting this week. I believe Salesforce, nothing crazy. Next week, Broadcom will report. And then towards the end of June, we'll get MU who's going to report. And I did a video about what happens typically leading up to their June earnings report, at least the last couple of years. So check that one out. And this is the final 4 trading days of May. And here's the thing, seasonality says that this final week of May is the most bullish of the month. So let's see if that seasonality holds true. And if we pump here this week, we're looking green right now. But again, those big pops higher tend to get faded. So let's see what happens. And then we start a brand new trading month next week. Can you believe it? June is here. Summer is here. Unbelievable, man. Life is just amazing. We get all these opportunities. It's tremendous. I'm going to have a preview of June and this weekend Sunday setup. We did a Monday setup this week because obviously we were closed on Monday. So we'll have a Sunday setup this coming weekend, and in that I will preview what happens according to seasonality in the month of June. We'll take a look at any major earnings reports that are coming and just other things that we need to pay attention to. Two things off the top of my head that I want to hear more about, and I'm actually have a video coming on this. SpaceX is going to IPO June 12th. That video should be ready by the end of the week. It's basically going to be everything you need to know about the SpaceX IPO, some historical examples of what have happened with the biggest IPOs in the history of the stock market. So that'll be coming, but that's a big date that we want to watch in June. And then the other thing too, Kevin Warsh has been sworn in as the new Fed chair. So is he going to have his first presser? Is he going to do the press conferences like Jerome Powell, or is he going to put the kibosh on them and we won't see them? So definitely want to see what's going to happen with that. But June looks to be a fun month ahead. And I'll close with this. I said early on in the month, and I like to hold myself accountable, that I could see Bitcoin hitting 100,000, getting back in the 100,000s by the end of May. We got 4 days, trading days, to make that happen. Well, actually, it trades on the weekend, so I got some more time than that. But will it do it? It's not looking like it. That thing looks lethargic and like it has been asleep since October. But I wanted to call that out there because I could very well be wrong. But I like to own my statements and what I think is going to come to fruition, and let's see if it happens. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a phenomenal week. I do have a free swing trading class that's going to be coming up. I'll have more information coming soon, so make sure you check that out. If you haven't checked out the Courage letter yet, it's the bi-monthly newsletter that I do. Just published the newest edition on Friday. You can sign up for that, get one free issue by signing up. That is in the description below. Then if you want to subscribe from there, you could do that. It's $15 a month for 2 issues, and you get my end of year review 2027 market preview when the time comes. That won't be until December. So check that out down below in the description. And that's going to do it. I'm driving home. I'm ready to go, ready to trade. Let's get after it. Got that swim in. Life is good. And like I said at the start, man, the time is now. You have no other time than right now. Stop making excuses. Stop pushing stuff off. Do it today. Got it? All right. So make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.